I woke up in my cell today, four walls where I'm confined, with shackles on my wrists and feet. They cannot chain my mind, for I was born a patriot of scholars and of saints. I'll be a son of Ireland until my dying day, born unto a father who'd work till his hands bled. I watched those war cat soldiers remove him from his bed and fill him full of rounds until they left him where he lay. He was a son of Ireland until his dying day. I think of my poor brother who gave his life to free the people of his home where he grew up, just him and me. And I weep because I cannot go and sit beside his grave. He was the son of Ireland until his dying day. To all my active comrades, so fearless volunteers, your names and acts of defiance will whisper through the years. They're in our land of iron hands, is what the youth will say. You were all sons of Ireland until your dying day. And all the men that went before, from Connolly to Sands, we did our best to ensure your names would always last. From the GPO and four courts to the H blocks where you lay, you were all sons of Ireland until your dying day. They opened up my cell today to find it was my last, for in the night I passed away of skin and bone and rags. And I spoke to God and he told me, son, there's one thing left to say. You were a son of Ireland. Today's your dying day.